Too expensive. Okay, that's fine. Let's just go again. I can do darkness 1. Okay. So that makes it harder. It just makes it darker. Let's run it back. Let's do the same exact thing. It might be boring, but I'm trying to farm runes now, bro. All right, let's take Divine Blessing now. Whoops. Okay, there's Electro Mage. So we pretty much win now. No, we'll go for Divine Wrath. Or not. We'll go for Electro Bug. Now cats. Sorry, man. No cats. Duplicate. I'm looking for Clover, actually. Looking for Butter. No, I'm just... This is just Lightning Ring the whole time. Any spinach lovers in chat? Taking rapid fire. Oh. Quick hands. If sauteed. Wow. I acknowledge the mistake I have made. Let's go for power. Cool. Now let's get energized for sure. Spinach OP. There's no spinach in this game, man. I'm sorry. I did get like bullet damage, which is kind of like spinach. Fire starter. Empty tome, anyone? Is it too late for an egg? Let's just grab fire starter. This is charged up. That's fine. splinter. Where's all my XP? Is it over here? Maybe I just don't have that much. I swear there's a bunch on the field somewhere. Let's go for armed and ready. I only have to hit shots, man. Wait, what? Why am I shooting fire? I guess because I got the fire one. I took the fire abilities, that's why. Here's the boss. Let's grab Electromaster, it's pretty good. He's already dead. But there's nothing that we want. I guess we can go for speed. Bullet damage doesn't matter. So we go for fire rate and spread. This one's so good. Why am I not taking this? Triple your base ammo? What? Oh my god. Oh, so I just never run out of ammo. Okay. Gun mastery, bullet damage. Why am I reloading? I don't know. What else can I do? I'm just like stuck in a box. I don't even have to attack, bro. I can just like walk around. Get unstuck? It takes time, my man. I mean, I could probably walk through, but like, I'm just not gonna. Nice. Light bullets. I don't need to shoot the enemies, I can just shoot trees. Overload, just like that. And the game's over. Grab Wrath. Double shot? Sure. Why attack the trees? Because every time one of my bullets hits something, a lightning strikes. And every time a lightning strikes, I get another bullet back. At least every other time my lightning strikes, I get another bullet back. So basically every time I shoot a tree, wow, look at that spread. That's terrible. Every time I shoot a tree, a mob dies. Need Fusillade. Fusillade. Just grab pickup range. Stay AFK, shoot trees. I want to walk around and pick up XP. I want Fusillade so that my my spray is fixed. This is all spread apart right now. XP boring. Oh, sorry, man. Burning trees forever. All right, I'll stand still and shoot a tree. Yeah, man, it's just not fun. Look at the scale. This man's crazy. How does he do it? Let's go burning speed. Rubber bullets. Let's get some bounces going. Look at all that juicy XP. Boss time. Recharge. Bullet damage. Vision. Sure. Where's the boss? Come on. No boss at 10. Is it avoiding me? Dude, it's scared. Fanfire? Definitely. The boss is the trees? That's not true. You just want me to kill the trees? What do you have against trees, dude? The Lorax. What did he do to you? How did the Lorax hurt you? Let's go for Splitfire. I didn't mean to walk into the tree. I don't know why I walked into the tree. Do you think they'll nerf this? I feel like this is broken. Is this intent? Like, this doesn't seem like it should be intended. There's the boss. he's dead. Balanced. Lightning damage increase. Oh. Balance. Ah. Ah. I can't just stand and shoot a tree. I have to do some form of movement. Fusillade. Wait, why did he just like slide in? All we can do is spin now. I want XP though. Yeah, man. I want the one that makes burn heal you. Where is it? Just go for vision. Then we'll grab the double damage one at some point. But we gotta grab glare first though. How fast can we kill a tree? Can we only kill trees now? No! Running gun. Yes. That's close. Oh, Demon's going to bed. I gotta say good night. Hang on. Nice. But glare? I'll take glare, don't worry. I just want the fire healing one. Just to, like, be sure. Does glare proc, burn damage? Does glare proc lightning? Do we know? Oh, I gotta stop almost walking into trees. Egg. Glare. I mean, if glare procs lightning, then it's insane. Because, like, whatever you can do to proc lightning is, like, broken. Let's go, bro. Died so fast. Elements? Dude, elements. Wait, but bounce. Elements? It's gotta be elements. Lightning damage by 35%. Versus bounce. Bounce is pretty good too, though. I'm going for elements. It's gotta be. Oh yeah. Now can I do this? No, not quite. Oh, it's boss again. Stalwart shield. Magic lens. Also inflicts burn. Okay, so my lightning also inflicts burn, so now the burns all come together. Go for vision. All right, I can't not move. Pickup range. Wow. That's pretty good. Not that it, like, even matters anymore. Plus 2 bounce. Sure. We'll just add some freeze now. You know, why not? We've got elements. Let's toss in some more elements. Big shot, splinter. Piercing. Ice shard. No. 38 again. 38 again. Dark Knight. 14k. Cool. What was 37? No, it was level 37, wasn't it? GG.